સહજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય. લઈને ગયો મન પ્રાણ રે, માવો મારો લઈને ગયો મન પ્રાણ રે. Premanand Swami sings this Viraha Kirtan, expressing to God that I am missing you. I love being with you. I love spending time with you when you are Sakshat in front of me. I know inside you are always with me. I am not complaining. I am not expressing any unpleasant feeling that we are separate. I know we are one. I know we are inseparable. But yet I am missing your physical presence in front of me. And he goes into that mode of feeling those withdrawal symptoms, that I can't see him now in front of me. And it was so beautiful. It were such cherished memories. This can only be experienced when there is deep involvement, deep authenticity, and that immersion with which bhakti is done, with which time is spent with God, or for that matter in whatever we do. If we are fully deeply involved, we will feel viraha. Means the moment we don't engage in those activities anymore, we start missing them. Human nature is such that when we miss something, we begin to kind of express it in unpleasant or complaining ways, and that completely kills the beauty of that viraha. But viraha, as used in bhakti, is a very beautiful expression of missing the loved one. How to express this missing must be learned from Premanand Swami in this kirtan. લઈને ગયો લઈને ગયો મન પ્રાણ રે, માવો મારો લઈને ગયો મન પ્રાણ રે. પ્રાણ લઈને બાહલે પરવશ કીધી, ભૂલી હું તો તનડાનું ભાન રે. લઈને ગયો મન પ્રાણ રે. જોયા વિના રે જીવડલો જાય છે, થાય છે તનડામાં તાન રે. લઈને ગયો મન પ્રાણ રે. અરે નડાને આગે કોઈ આણી મેલાવે, સુંદર શ્યામ સુજાણ રે. લઈને ગયો મન પ્રાણ રે. પ્રેમાનંદના નાથની છું હું તો, દામ વિનાની વેચાણ રે. લઈને ગયો મન પ્રાણ રે. When he left me, I was left with nothing. He took my pran away. He took my life away. With this, he left me parvash, vulnerable, totally a parasite on him is what I am. I can't live without him. I even forgot Sudh Budh, which means I'm not even aware who I am, what I am. My identity is of no use without him in my life. This soul must yearn the Almighty like this, that without the Paramatma, the Atma has absolutely no sense of existence, no reason of existence. Without seeing you, I am suffering. I am feeling the pain in my body, in my mind, in my soul. Please, somebody get him to see me once. Please convince him that my life holds no meaning. Please convince him that I'm nothing without him. And please request him to come and see me. Even in this kind of expression of Vedana and Viraha, there is compliments going to him. Hey Sundar Shyam, hey Sujan, you are the all-knower, you are the most beautiful. How can I live without you? I love you for a reason. The reason is pure love. And I can't live without you. Why do you want me to live without you? After seeing something so beautiful, don't you think I would love to see it over and over again? After experiencing something so beautiful, don't you think I deserve that experience again? Even if I don't deserve it, I desire it. Without you, I am Dama Vinani Vechan. I have no... I'm basically a useless entity. I have no value. Whatever I am is because of you in my life. So how do you expect me to accept our separation? My eyes yearn for you all day long. Even if we are one from within, I feel like seeing you again and again. I want you right in front of me. आखड़ियों अकड़ाय रे हो आखड़ियों अकड़ाय रे जोया बिना आखड़ियों अकड़ाय रे रात दिवस जो वाट वहलानी आंसुड़ा न सुकाय रे आंसुड़ा न सुकाय रे जोया बिना खड़ी हूँ अकड़ाय रे सुनी सेज जोई मंदिर मां काळजड़ू कोराय रे जोया बिना आखड़ी हूँ अकड़ाय रे श्री घनश्याम वदन जोया बिना पढ़ पढ़ जुग समझाय रे पढ़ पढ़ जुग समझाय रे आखड़ी हूँ अकड़ाय रे प्रेमानंद कहे तनड़ू तपे छे मणवान मोहन राय रे आखड़ी हूँ अकड़ाय रे My eyes are yearning. They are restlessly burning. Day and night I'm just crying because of this separation. I'm crying so much that my tears haven't dried up in ages. When I look at the places where we have spent time with each other, and then I see those places empty without you, my heart breaks. And we could have continued spending that beautiful time together. Why can't we spend that time again? And why can't we keep spending that time? Without seeing you, every moment I'm passing as if I am spending ages I'm spending years together. Each minute is like an hour, and each hour is like a day, and each day is like a year, and each year is like a birth. Premanand Swami says, my whole body, every cell of mine is feeling this pain of separation. Please come and meet me. Meet me because you were my daily habit. You're not just my daily habit, you are my routine. I had renunciated everything to spend time with you. And then my only kriya, dinacharya, was spending time with you. How can you take that away from me? I left all pleasures because I found true happiness in you. And the joy of being with you also, now you have taken away. મુખડું જોયાનું હતું નેમ રે, હો મુખડું જોયાનું હતું નેમ રે, દાઢી મારે મુખડું જોયાનું હતું નેમ, મુખડું જોયા વિના પાણી ન પીતી, ચંદ્રને ચકોર જોતી જેમ રે, મુખડું જોયાનું હતું નેમ રે, વદન જોવા ઘનશ્યામ વાહલાનું, रहती हाजर एम नियम रे, रहती हाजर एम नियम रे, मुखड़ू जोयानु हतु नेम रे, दाढ़ी मारे मुखड़ू जोयानु हतु नेम, काम ने काज घर बार संसार में तो मेल्यो पड़तो जेम तेम रे, मेल्यो पड़तो जेम तेम रे, मुखड़ू जोयानु हतु नेम रे, प्रेमानंद नो नाथ जोया विना હવે હું કરીશ કેમ રે, અરે હવે હું કરીશ કેમ રે, મુખડું જોયાનું હતું નેમ રે, દાઢી મારે મુખડું જોયાનું હતું નેમ રે. Every day I had to see his face, without which or before which I never even used to sip water. It was my vrat that first I will begin my day with him and then I will consume even water. How a chakor has to see the Chandrama, I have to see you. Without seeing you, for seeing you, I used to just be there. I had no other work in life. I had renunciated everything else, and my sole purpose was to see you. I had no other Kamkaj, I had no Garbar, I have no Sansar. Now you are saying, live without seeing me. How can I live without seeing you? How can I stay without you? Someone, anyone, please get God in front of me. It's a request. I'm begging. I need it. If you are listening to me, oh God, please come and give me your darshan, is what Premanand Swami is asking. कोई देखाड़ो घनश्याम रे, हाँ कोई देखाड़ो घनश्याम रे, મોરડા વાળો દેખાડો ઘનશ્યામ. શ્રી ઘનશ્યામ નારાયણ મારે સર્વે સુખડાનું ધામ રે. મોરડા વાળો દેખાડો ઘનશ્યામ. એ સારું ઘર બાર જગત સુખ સર્વે કીધું મેં હરામ રે. સર્વે કીધું મેં હરામ રે. કોઈ દેખાડો ઘનશ્યામ રે. શત્રુ કંપે છે જેનું નામ સુણીને માન ક્રોધાદિક કામ રે. હે કોઈ દેખાડો ઘનશ્યામ રે. એવો કોઈ દેખાડો ઘનશ્યામ રે. પ્રેમાનંદ ના નાથ વિના સર્વે. પ્રેમાનંદના નાથ વિના સર્વે વ્યાકુળ ગોકુળ ગામ રે. હે વ્યાકુળ ગોકુળ ગામ રે. કોઈ દેખાડો ઘનશ્યામ. Even in this viraha, praising God, calling God with love doesn't change. મોરડા વાળો દેખાડો ઘનશ્યામ. શ્રી ઘનશ્યામ is મારા સુખડાનું ધામ. I don't seek happiness, peace elsewhere. I seek happiness and peace in you, my God. I know you are the only and the ultimate source of happiness. And hence, Ghar-bar, Jagat Sukh, materialistic pleasures, I have renunciated. I have considered that Sukh as Paap, as Haram. I have promised myself and committed to you that I will seek happiness only from Thou. Now, how can you not give me happiness? How can you prohibit me from your company, from you? Because of you, your help, your strength, all the inner enemies inside me, Kaam, Krodh, Lobh, Man, they got petrified and left me. Because they saw that I am engaged with you, connected with you, related to you, they gave up their energies. All negativities inside me just withered away, disappeared. This purest form of me is because of your grace, and you have promised that once a soul purifies itself, it attains liberation, it attains you. Without you, not just me, the entire Gokul Gam, all seekers, everyone, every soul is yearning for you. And we want you. We want to stay connected with you. We want you right in front of us. We want the joy of your company, the bliss of your presence, the peace of your entanglement. We desire this, whether or not we deserve this. Please, God, do not refrain us from this oneness. All I seek is you. All I want is you. All I need is you. You know it. I am completely yours. You are completely mine. Now please don't stay separated from me. Give me the sukh of your sahyog, of your samagam, of your sanidhya, and make me experience you in front of me and within me and all around me eternally. सहजानंद स्वामी महाराज ने